Okay, so we've started out by pulling very general information. And when I say pulling, I mean selecting all information. We narrowed our search the second time around the book title and the author's last name. Okay, uh, refining that query helps provide more accurate data sets around around the specific information that we want, that we need to use to make decisions with. We're going to go ahead and further narrow that search. Now, in this case, refer back to item 3 in the Explore section of the UDL module. Uh, the the bulleted item is, first let me do this. Let me go ahead and grab this command. And let's take a look at this particular command. Now, under the bulleted item, uh, let me just mention and then point out where these particular parts are. Once again, we're selecting information, we're querying information, the last name and the book title. Okay, we've done that already, so we've been there, we've done that. We want to go ahead and interjoin these particular tables. We want to connect authors to book authors and book authors to books. We want to connect those pieces together. Now, the important part that's included within the bullet within item number 3 is the where clause. The where is saying, okay, we're going to grab this information, but let's make this even a narrower search where some condition has to be met. So in this case, we're going to say where the title of the book has, and like in the SQL command structure means contains. Okay, contains. Contains, in this case, that percent sign is a multi-character wildcard. So a multi-character wildcard can contain numbers, characters, strings, can be 2 or 3 characters, can be 20 or 30 characters, a multi-character wildcard. In this statement, what we're saying is we want to go ahead and select any title that has Mars somewhere in it. It can begin with anything, it can end with anything, but it has Mars somewhere in it. As we look back to our titles, we have a Princess of Mars and Gods of Mars. So let's go ahead and see if this runs. And that particular query provides the information that we're looking for. In this case, maybe a customer comes in and asks for the Martian series, but they don't really know who wrote it. They remember seeing a movie. A movie was called the John Carter, but they thought it was referred to as Princess of Mars or something about Mars. Okay, so we can go ahead and look as a business and see what kinds of titles we have in our inventory that has Mars in it. So we can go ahead and very easily run that query to be able to provide better information, which can provide a sale with that customer. So let's go ahead and conclude those queries at that point.